Hello and welcome back to the course. In this section, we are going to study about the key management technique using symmetric and asymmetric algorithms. We'll have a brief about this, have the details about this topic later on. Okay, so the key management techniques. The key is the crucial aspect of the encryption, and the keys, so specifically public key and private key, are the most important keys which are preferably being used for the encryption and decryption level. So when we say there is a secret key or the session key, the the difference lies in between the use of that keys at which session. So when we say there is a session for uh, communication between the client and server, so that session will have a separate key. So the most major role for the public key encryption is the problem of distribution of the secret keys. So the public key is defining the distribution of the secret keys. So two distinct aspects of use of public key in cryptography is the distribution of the public keys first, and the use of public keys encryption to distribute the secret keys. So one after another, this public key, once it is known, then based on that the distribution of the secret keys for each and every process can be done. So the combination of using both symmetric as well as asymmetric algorithms together is known as a hybrid encryption. So the more of the best example for the hybrid encryption is the secure socket layers (SSL) and the transport layer security (TLS), which are the example for the hybrid encryption communication. Asymmetric and symmetric encryptions are typically used together. Use an asymmetric algorithm such as the RSA to securely send someone an AES symmetric key. So the symmetric key is called the session key. A new session key may be retransmitted periodically via RSA. So this approach leverages the strength of both the crypto systems. So this is a brief about symmetric and asymmetric keys. Again, you can say that the AES is the most commonly used symmetric algorithm, which is Advanced Encryption Standard, which has originally known as the Rijndael. So this is a standard set by the US National Institute of Standards and Technology in 2001 for the encryption of the electronic data announced in US. So this is all about the key management techniques. Thanks for watching.